In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add new inventory items in QuickBooks, a fundamental task for managing your business's products and services with accuracy. First, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and enter the QuickBooks homepage link or use your saved link if you already have one. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access the main dashboard. Upon logging in, locate the Products and Services option. You'll find this on the left-hand menu, conveniently listed among other features that QuickBooks offers. Click on it. This section is pivotal as it provides a comprehensive view of all the products and services your business handles. Here, you'll see existing entries and have the ability to manage each one. The next step involves adding a new item to your inventory. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Products and Services page, where you'll spot a New button. Clicking on this button allows you to input new products or services into your database, ensuring your inventory records are continuously updated and precise. Now, let's proceed by selecting Inventory from the list of options provided. This step is crucial because selecting Inventory informs QuickBooks that you're adding a tangible product rather than a service or a non-inventory item. It will allow you to maintain stock levels and get alerts when it's time to reorder. Once you've done that, move on to entering the basic info of your new inventory item. Here, you need to provide essential details such as the name of the item, the description, and other specifics like price, SKU, or categorization if applicable. Being thorough helps in keeping your inventory organized and easily searchable, especially when your inventory grows. Following this, transition to the Sales section. This is where you input any sales-related information for your product. You might add default sales prices, income accounts, or perhaps sales tax information. This data is essential for invoices and sales receipts, ensuring that every transaction is accurately recorded. Next, click on the Purchasing area. Here, you'll supply details such as purchase cost and expense accounts. This information helps your accounting by recording how much you spend acquiring this product and categorizing it correctly in your books. Lastly, after entering all necessary details, be sure to save your work. Click the Save and New button to finalize the entry of your inventory item. This action not only saves your current entry, but also prepares the system instantly for new items to be added if you have more to input. QuickBooks will refresh, keeping your workflow seamless and efficient. These carefully outlined steps are designed to help you seamlessly manage your inventory within QuickBooks, ensuring accuracy and ease as your database expands. With time and practice, you'll find these tasks becoming second nature, enhancing your business operations and financial oversight.